time for another DIY Network Rehab Addict Quick Tip.
Hi, I'm Nicole Curtis. New construction doesn't stand a chance next to the grandness and the quality of an old home. Rehabbing an old space is easier than you think, and it also brings it back to the original elegant state. We just take this out, and then that room is a parlor. Again. That's the perfect original entrance to this parlor room. Doors are covered, ceilings are dropped. Yep, there's my ceiling right up there. And all it takes is a little demo and finishing work to re-expose an original layout. This room is gonna look so different once this comes down. The city wanted this old garage torn down, but we lifted it up, poured a new concrete floor, and repaired the siding. And in my opinion, it's just the right thing to do. We saved the old structure. You can't beat this.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYnetwork.com 24/7.